Prior to opening up the device, make sure you turn off the battery switch on the back. In the toolkit, we will be using the PH1 screw and the Torx T15H. I will be using my own iFixit Pro toolkit, affiliate link below in the description. There are 4 screws on both sides of the device, the ones that hold the side plates. The screws holding the side plate and the bottom plate are Torx. There are also 4 more of the same screws on the bottom, excluding the one that's right under the sticker. As you can see, the side plates are not equal. Make sure you put them back into their slot correctly. If you want, you can go right ahead and remove that sticker, but I just kept mine on and I just rotate the bottom bridge clockwise. The 2 screws that hold the battery in place are Phillips. The plug for the battery is quite simple, it's just a ground and a power line. For the recommended battery replacement and other tools involved, please go ahead and check the description and check my affiliate links below. Thank you for watching.